सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे सब कुछ यूट्यूब चैनल को और दबाइए नीचे लगे बेल आइकन को, जिससे आपको मिलती रहे हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो की अपडेट वो भी सबसे पहले।
What's up everybody? The winter preparations are finally over. I'm ready for the season and we are now here in Turkey, Istanbul. It's kind of cold, but still we're gonna have some fun for our first show. But before we do that, I invited my friend Birkan Pola, the Turkish stunt rider.
Selamünaleyküm. Arkadaşlar merhaba. Rock'u tekrar Türkiye'de gördüğümüz için çok mutluyuz. Hoş geldin.
Thank you Birkan. So we're gonna make my favorite game, the Moto Drift battle. So let's check the bikes first.
KTM 250 kullanacağım.
My bike of choice is the Duke 250. As you can see, this time same bikes, same power, but different riders. The Moto Drift battle gonna be on a different drift area this time with some new drift combinations. The surface is kind of slippery and very cold. Anyway, we're gonna have some fun. The first obstacle that we're gonna hit is the so-called rolling snail. It's actually an area where you do a rolling burnout. Around the area you're not allowed to touch the tire. If so, you get a 2 seconds penalty for each tire. The next station is the so-called 5 seconds burnout. It's actually the game where you need to stand on the bike without stepping down for 5 seconds. If you do it, you get a bonus time. If you step down, you get a penalty. Bam! The next point, you are drifting and you need to hit the tire. If you miss it, you get a penalty of 2 seconds. If you hit it, you get a bonus 2 seconds. After the rolling burnout is the wheelie circle challenge. You need to do 2 circles. If you don't do it, you get a penalty point of 2 seconds. If you do it, you get a bonus 2 seconds. Okay, let's see who starts first this time. Oh. So, I start first, I lose, man.
Look, are you ready?
I'm ready, Birkan.
3, 2, 1, go!
First round down. Birkan, ready?
Ready?
Okay, tam gaz, kumur gaz.
Tam gaz.
Okay, so 3, 2, 1.
Gaz kumur gaz. Tam gaz. Evet, ikinci roundu çekiyoruz arkadaşlar. Are you ready?
I'm ready, round 2.
3, 2,
Round 2 was my not so best run, but luckily I have the round 1. So let's see if Birkan can beat my time. Okay, Birkan.